Today's cooking tip, how to tell if a pineapple is ready and cut it down. First, hold the pineapple in your hands and give it a light squeeze. It should be firm to the touch but have a little give. Also, smell the bottom of the pineapple. Does it have a sweet aroma? For the color, it should be golden with a little bit of green. One more way to tell if it's ready. Pull one of the center leaves off the top. If it comes out fairly easy, it's ready. To cut the pineapple, cut off the top and then the bottom. Create a flat surface to stand the pineapple up on. Next, cut along the outer edges following the contours of the fruit, keeping the cuts deep enough so you remove those brown spots, the eyes of the pineapple. Cut along the contours until you have completely trimmed the pineapple. Next, we want to remove the inner core. First, cut the pineapple in half and then into quarters. To remove the inner core, stand the pineapple on its side again and cut through. Now, if you want to use a pineapple for a fruit salad, cut that in half and then cut it into quarter-inch slices.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and share, and head over to Full Plate Colorful Palette blog, where you'll find more cooking tips, recipes, how-to videos, original artwork, and painting instruction. Thanks for watching. Linda and Dean.